What's the meaning of coldness? Coldness. Coldness.
Coldness. Coldness. Coldness refers to the absence or lack of warmth or affection, often associated with a chilly or aloof demeanor. It can manifest in various ways, including emotionally, socially, and physically. Emotionally, it can describe a person who is distant or detached, lacking empathy or care. Socially, it can refer to a person who is unresponsive, unapproachable, or avoids social interaction. Physically, it can relate to a feeling of low temperature or numbness. Ultimately, coldness represents a negative and unfavorable state that inhibits meaningful connection and relationship building.